Hi friends, welcome to Roy's Journey. Today I bought this MI water TDS tester from MI showroom here. So this is how it looks. This is the sensing pins and here is the battery point. These batteries are not included. So two batteries you have to purchase. That is LR44 button cell to 1.5 volt into 2. So once you assemble the batteries, then this LED gets on where it is showing as 0 ppm. So now I have taken 3 samples. One is from the kitchen, which is known as Kaveri water or the municipal water, and this is the borewell water which comes in our bathroom, and this is the water from the Bisleri can, 20 liters can, which we use for our drinking purpose, 20 liters. So now let's see what are the results. You have to keep for at least 5 seconds for stabilization of the reading. So now you can see that it is close to 118 ppm of the Kaveri or the municipal water which comes to our kitchen. So you can see the reading, it is 119 showing. This is from our kitchen. Now you can see the reading has become 0. So now I will dip into the borewell water which comes into our bathroom. So you can see the reading, how much it is. It is 351 ppm. So normally in India they say below 500 is acceptable limit, but however this is also hard. Now we will try the Bisleri water which we use for drinking. So now you can see this is 56 ppm of the Bisleri 20 liter can which we use for drinking. So again, if you see, now if you remove out of water, it becomes 0. Now you can press this TDS button here, then it is switched off. Now it is switched off. You have to just clean the tip with a soft cloth and just dry it like this, shaking, so that any water remaining there inside gets wiped off. Then you can close this one. So friends, now I have cleaned this with a soft cloth. You can see the watermarks have gone now on the tip. Now you can insert this into the cap which is provided along with this pack and keep it safely. So friends, I would like to say that this is a must-have product or required product at your home if you are living in cities like Bangalore or urban areas, because you can just compare the water which you are using at your kitchen or at your bathroom or for drinking, the total dissolved solids, that is what TDS stands for, so that you will know that whether the water which you are using for bathing purpose or drinking or cleaning your utensils or vegetables, whether it is good or bad, whether it is in acceptable limits of the total dissolved solids or not. So friends, hope this review has helped you. So if you find this video helpful, please like and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.